An investor's philosophy includes the set of beliefs and principles that guide his or her decision-making process. To define your investment philosophy, start by describing your risk profile. Questionnaires are commonly used to understand two different traits: your ability and willingness to take risk. They inquire about your environment, experience, and current financial situation. They also identify your goals, time horizon, and stance toward financial losses. In general, the end result is to understand if your risk profile is conservative, moderate, or aggressive. The analysis also needs to discover the investor's attitude toward responsible and impact investing, for example, and whether she or he wants the support of a financial consultant or prefers to use robo-advisors. The investment philosophy, including risk profile and other important beliefs, will be used to define the strategic and tactical asset allocation.